Top 10 destinations to visit in Australia.
If you're new to Travel Wish feed, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on the next beautiful destinations we feature.
Known as the Land of Dreams, Australia is a country of spectacular beauty and staggering contrasts. The world's largest island and smallest country, Australia is also the same size as the United States. Along the coast, you have the option of exploring vast sand islands, vibrant multicultural cities, ancient rainforests, and the planet's awe-inspiring natural wonder, the Great Barrier Reef. It's no wonder that Australia scores the most billings on bucket lists around the world. Plan your adventure with our list of the top 10 destinations to visit in Australia. Number 10. Gold Coast. Australia's glimmering Gold Coast is blessed with sunny skies and year-round warm weather and is located on Queensland's southern coastline, just to the south of Brisbane. Due to its lively yet laid-back vibe, sea, and alluring sun, this coastal city is one of the country's most renowned holiday destinations. Most people flock to Surfers' Paradise. The capital of the Gold Coast has significant attractions, including large, pounding nightclubs and shopping malls, as well as countless bars and restaurants. Despite being referred to as a tacky tourist trap, the Gold Coast has umpteen things to do, with stunning sunsets and beautiful beaches as a given. Besides, it already boasts exhilarating water parks, nature reserves, and amusement parks, while its surfs are out of this world. Number 9. Karijini National Park. Karijini, the second largest national park in Western Australia, lies about 1,000 kilometers to the north of Perth, the state's capital. It is very mountainous and is centered around the Hamersley Ranges. The park is known for the slot canyons, gorgeous gorges, and waterfalls that dot its confines. 3 highest peaks, located in the west of Australia, rise above the dark red hues of its rugged landscape. These collectively make for some outstanding hiking, where the precipitous chasms and narrow gorges snake beneath them. Punctuating its semi-arid terrains are glittering waterfalls and a series of hidden waterholes, which are surprisingly refreshing to bathe or swim in after a dusty walk. The Karijini National Park is home to more than 800 plant species, along with several incredible wildlife. While exploring and enjoying the natural reserve, the visitors may catch a glimpse of echidnas, wallabies, and red kangaroos. Number 8. Fraser Island. Separated by the Great Sandy Strait from Australia's mainland, Fraser Island lies just off the southeast coast of Queensland. The world's largest sand island, stretching over 100 kilometers, is a renowned place to visit due to its exceptional natural sights and outstanding scenery. Crumbling sand cliffs and idyllic white sandy beaches line its shores, while dense mangroves, epic coastal dune systems, and lush rainforests are found dotted around the area. 2 of the most popular, Lake Mackenzie and Lake Wabi, punctuate their picture-perfect landscapes. Most of the stunning scenery is located within the Great Sandy National Park. The park is home to all kinds of mammals and birds, such as wallabies, whales, dingoes, and dolphins. In addition to wildlife watching, Fraser Island also has loads of great water sports and hiking. Camping beneath the stars will also be a memorable experience. Before moving on, don't forget to support us by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on our amazing content. Getting back to our list, number 7. Broome. Located on the northern coast of Western Australia, the scenic and secluded town of Broome is perched on a tiny peninsula that amazingly juts into the Indian Ocean. Lying more than 2,000 kilometers from Perth and Darwin, the 2 nearest cities, the purling town and remote beach resort act as a getaway to the region's riches. Cable Beach, the most popular place to unwind and relax in Broome, is one of Australia's most beautiful beaches. Besides bathing in its turquoise waters and sunbathing on its white sands, visitors can enjoy spa packages and cocktails at its luxury resorts, in addition to the sunset camel rides along the beach. More active holidaymakers can visit the dinosaur footprints at Gantium Point and the fantastic rock formations of the Red Cliffs at the entrance point, both of which lie nearby. Number 6. Pinnacles. Located within Nambung National Park, near Cervantines Town in Western Australia, is the Pinnacles Desert. The magnificent limestone formations remained unknown until 1967, thanks to their remote setting. In 1967, a reserve was established to protect the prominent pillars, thereby popularizing the Pinnacles' presence. The pinnacles, rising dramatically out of the desert floor, resemble weathered tombstones and number in the thousands. There is a constant blow of sands from the coastal dunes through the otherworldly-looking landscape, making it an incredible sight. While the formations attract plenty of debates about how the distinctive shapes were formed, the general consensus is that they are created out of limestone from seashells, as it is believed that the region was submerged in water millions of years ago. Number 5. Darwin. Darwin hugs Australia's top-end coastline, a region encompassing the Northern Territory. Since its earliest days, the city is a transportation hub, thanks to its proximity to the other countries in the Indian Ocean. Darwin is a resilient town, whose spirit cannot be defeated for the fact that it was thoroughly devastated during World War II, and again in 1974 when Cyclone Tracy wreaked havoc in the city. Today, the town, which is home to almost 75,000 people, is a popular tourist destination. Darwin's main natural attraction includes its wide sandy beaches, with seafood restaurants, multinational shops, and open-air beer bars. Darwin Harbour, which is twice the size of Sydney Harbour, attracts visitors too. In the evening, the visitors and locals can stroll down the city's esplanade to rejoice in the films at the Deck Chair Cinema, an open-air theater located on the harbour's banks. Darwin is the hub for tours to Lickfield National Park, Kakadu National Park, and Catherine Gorge. Whether cruising to the Tiwi Islands, watching crocodiles cavort in the Crocodilus Park, or relaxing on the beach, there is always something new to explore in tropical Darwin. Number 4. Daintree Rainforest. Daintree is one of the most diverse and the world's oldest tropical rainforests. Its fantastic flora and fauna and ancient ecosystem are great to explore and home to umpteen wildlife. It doesn't consist solely of verdant and lush rainforests, but also includes rugged mountain, rich coral reef systems, teeming rivers, and beautiful beaches. Of these, Cape Tribulation is home to the best white sandy beaches in Australia. Daintree Rainforest, which can be accessed from Cairns, is a nature lover's delight and has loads of fun outdoor activities for visitors to try. The holidaymakers can also enjoy going bird or wildlife watching and hiking amid the dense undergrowth. The popular pastimes include ziplining through the canopy, paddleboarding, and cruising along with one of its rivers. Number 3. Adelaide. The capital city of South Australia, Adelaide is located on Gulf St. Vincent's eastern shores. It's the 5th largest city in Australia, home to almost 1.2 million individuals. The city is beautifully situated on a plain between the Gulf and the rolling Adelaide Hills, bordered by Australia's renowned wine regions. Nicknamed as the City of Churches, the spires dotted about here and there reinforce Adelaide's picturesque nature. There are loads of green spaces and friendly parks for visitors and locals alike to enjoy. Number 2. Perth. Perth, the capital of Western Australia, is a very isolated city from the rest of the country. Despite this, it is considered the most livable city of Australia because of its laid-back vibe, exquisite cultural sites, and plenty of things to do. Many Perth attractions are located near the water, whether it's the picnic spots and walks edging the Swan River, parks, or beaches stretching along the Sunset Coast. The 1,000-acre King Park, one of the world's largest city parks, encompasses Mount Eliza. Also boasts a botanical garden with aerial walkways. Visitors can visit Penguin Island and car-free ROTTNEST Island using the ferry service. Whether swimming with dolphins or exploring the aquarium of Western Australia, aquatic adventures abound in sea-loving Perth. Number 1. Kangeroo Island. The third largest in the country, Kangeroo Island lies just off of South Australia's coast and can be reached in a 45-minute ferry ride from Cape Jarvis. Its untouched landscapes are home to an abundance of wildlife and incredible scenery. Towering cliffs, massive dunes, remarkable rock formations, and large caves can be found in its vast natural reserves. Home to koalas, echidnas, and kangaroos, Kangeroo Island's diverse landscape lend it all kinds of outdoor activities, with scuba diving, sandboarding, and hiking amongst the most popular. Besides its ample natural riches, recreational opportunities, and wildlife, Kangeroo Island boasts loads of fine wines and delicious local produce for visitors to try. Did you enjoy our video? Which other destinations in Australia do you think we should include in this list, and why? Let us know down in the comments section below.
If you enjoyed our video, kindly subscribe to our channel, give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our new videos.